How many days in advance should you order to receive the order on the desired day? If you often take hair from China, you will know that Chinese vendors stock hair, so your order will be sent immediately after payment is completed. But the system in Vietnam is quite different. Vietnamese vendors do not stock hair. They only stock raw material and then start to produce customers' orders after they pay in order to give customers fresh hair. Quality is at its best. So how long will the production take, and how many days in advance should you order to receive the order on the desired day? Let me clarify it in this video. Production time. Production time depends a lot on the hair you order, colors, hair length, quantity you want, and it will depend on the total order's status. The order will take the fastest time if you order straight hair in short and average length. Normally it's 7 days to 10 days. It's because the factory workers just need to take the raw material from the stock and do very little production on the hair, for example re-cleaning, moisturing, steam straightening, and then the hair be ready. Order will take about 14 days if you order different hairstyles and colors. 14 days is also the average production time of a Vietnamese vendor. Your order will take the longest time if you want long hair such as 28, 30, 34, 36, or you want many difficult hair color shades. Long hair material is rare on the hair market. Most of the time, your vendor needs to collect more long raw hair material for customers' orders. It takes a long time, and that's why you need to wait longer. These kinds of hair orders will take about 18 to 20 days. One thing that also affects the production time is the total order status. For example, if you order in the Christmas season, your order will take longer as there are many customers ordering in that same time too, making the number of orders that factory has to handle a big number. So your vendor needs a longer time to finish all of shipping. Normally shipping by UPS, FedEx and DHL takes a faster time than shipping by agent, but it also takes a higher cost. For some countries such as Nigeria, customers often use agents for cheap shipping, and the shipment will take like 7 to 10 days. Some customers prefer UPS, FedEx and DHL. It often takes 3 to 5 days only. But if you live in an African country, it will take up to 7 days. So based on the information of your orders and shipping method, you can calculate the estimated time you need to wait and make an order in advance. You will also want to ask your vendor to have a confirmation of the time you need to wait. I hope this video helps you to place the order at the right time. Thank you for watching. If you want Vietnamese hair, contact the WhatsApp number for the best order. Thank you and see you in the next video.